whisper secrets slow, dreams in crystal flow, heartbeats softly grow, waves of light we ride through the endless sky, feel the cosmos wide, let our spirits fly. Amethyst braves light, guides us through the night, shining pure and bright in the soft twilight. Echoes in the mind, mysteries untwined, timeless strings we find in the cosmic bind. Silent is the breeze, veiled in starry seas, whispered symphonies floating through the trees. Eyes of sparkling hue, reflecting worlds anew, lost in skies of blue, with the vision true. Amethyst the mind, mysteries untwined, timeless strings we find in the cosmic bind. Silent is the breeze,